Hello everyone, welcome to my channel La Vida with Kim, and today guys it's Vlogmas day 3. So today I do have an unboxing. If you watched my Vlogmas day from yesterday, I did tell you guys I was going to do an unboxing, so I'm super excited about this guys. I have been waiting for this since last week guys. So if you did see my video where I unboxed the Converse Coraline collection guys, and you saw it was a horrible failure. Let me see, what else can I show you guys? It says Coraline. What the freaking shit is this? Oh hell no. Bitch. Yes, I know, I was so mad guys. Like I was like, why me? You know, like why me? You know, like why me? If you know, you know. But yeah guys, okay, so yeah, the shoes were messed up, they were ripped. I ended up returning them because they told me since I was still on the 30-day return time, I could just get my money back and stuff like that. I was like, no, I want the shoes, you know. So I was like, inside I was crying, I was so upset. I was like, why, you know, like a special collection like that, and then I get the messed up shoes, you know. I do still have my sweater though, I love it. Oh my god, I'm wearing it today. And then just whacking the head. But yeah, I love it. And then okay, so yeah, so my sweater was good, it was just the shoes that were messed up, so I returned them. I literally dropped them off this morning because it took a while for them to email me back and stuff. So yeah, I was like, ugh, I was so mad about it. Again, if you guys did see the video, I did mention that I actually wanted the little kid shoes, the ones with the like little, what is it, stars I think it is. And Converse only had those for kids, and I was upset about it, and I talked about it, so that's why I went for the whiteys. Little did I know guys, while I was over there sobbing and looking at my phone trying to, you know, shop to make up for, you know, that horrible experience, I noticed I had a missed email from Laika, and I was like, what? You know, like I thought I already saw the collection, so what is this, you know? It said like Converse. So I was like, okay, clicked, and it took me to their website, to Laika's website, not Converse, Laika's, and then they had the kids shoes that I wanted originally, but for adults. And I was like, no freaking way. Like I clicked on that so fast, you know, but sadly they were out of my size. I did get an 8 for the whiteys guys. Honestly, I don't wear Converse. My whole life I have like only owned like one pair of Converse. Yes, one pair, believe it or not. So whiteys would have been my second, and I didn't know my size, so I just went for the 8 because that's my size regularly. So I was like, okay. And then they did fit me a little big when I tried them on, but I was like, oh well, you know, I was gonna return them anyways. So okay, sorry guys, I started blabbing. But yeah, so I went on their website and they only had size 5 for women's, and then it was all sold out until size 8.5, and I was like, why, you know, like I was like, no, like why is this happening to me, you know? I was like, they have the shoes that I want but not in my size. So guys, I stalked that website. I stalked it and I stalked it and I stalked it, and then finally 7.5 just randomly showed up, and I clicked on it so fast and I ordered them, and they are here guys. And you know what, I am a super believer in everything happens for a reason, you know. So I was like, if those shoes that I ordered, the whiteys, would not have came messed up and ripped, I would have just kept those and I would have moved on, you know. But since they were ripped, I was over there crying and sobbing on my phone, and I found the Laika shoes, the ones that I really wanted. So guys, those were actually $100. The other ones were 80 bucks, right? So it was a little bit of a difference, but I was like, why would they do that? Why would Laika drop, you know, this pair here, but then at the Converse collection they didn't have it? Like that doesn't make sense. It's like VIP access, I don't know. But yeah guys, I was like, oh my gosh, like I can't believe I was that lucky. Well, maybe it's because I was stalking the website, but still I was like, what, you know. So yeah, let's unbox. Oh my gosh guys, it is here. They didn't send me like a huge box like last time. Okay, I have my handy dandy crafting knife as usual. Look how easy this cuts. Smooth. But yeah, did you get anything from the collection, whether it was the Converse from the Converse website or the Converse from Laika's website. I did not know, guys. Oh my gosh, it's like a hidden secret. I'm gonna link them down below. I'm gonna link the website down below in case you guys are interested and you like them and you want to go buy them. Go for it, you know, if they do have your size, because last time I checked they still had the same sizes, 5 for women's and then 8.5 and up. They still have those in stock. So if you are interested in that and that is your size, they have your size. But yeah, oh my gosh, guys, I can't believe it. Like, the shoes that I originally wanted are right here. Oh my gosh. Ooh. So the shoebox is like the other one. I thought it might be a little bit different because it's from the Laika website, but I guess not. It's a little dusty. Okay, guys, let me take out the box. Well, the paper first. Okay. Oh my gosh! It's like crazy, you know, how everything has its way. Okay, same thing. I showed you guys the box last time. Just like on the bag, shoes. So yeah, I got a 7.5, guys. If you're a 7.5, guys, stock that website. Maybe they'll restock again, you know. Ooh. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my gosh. Same white wrapping. Oh my gosh, what is glittery? I did not know that. Oh my gosh. Okay, yes, I love these like a million times more. Oh my Lord Jesus, look at this. Oh my gosh, let me put this down, guys. What the heck? Look at these shoes up close. Oh my god, this is like a little bit shiny. You know how this is kind of like matte? This is like shiny. Ooh, I like fuzz. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. Oh my freaking god. The little button eye. Sorry, guys, my kids are home now. Guys, oh my gosh, look at that. The little thing she sees, it's a little, what do you call it? What did they call it? I don't know. The sisters were arguing about it in the movie.
What's it for? Well, it might help. They're good for bad things sometimes.
No, they're good for lost things.
She uses it to find the kids' eyes, you know? Look at that. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Like, it looks way better in person. Like, the way it glitters. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. I'm trying to get it as close as I can so you guys can see how freaking beautiful this is. My regular shoelaces. For the whiteys, they were like distressed style. Coraline. I swear if something's messed up with these shoes, I'm gonna cry. Like, it says Converse and Coraline. Left a little sticker in there. 15th anniversary. Oh my freaking god, guys. Yes, this is what I originally wanted. I freaking love them. Oh my god. Let me take out the other one. Imagine it's ripped too. Oh hell no. Ooh, you know what? I think all of it is shiny. Yeah, all of it. It's just like depending how the light hits it. See how it shines? Look at that. Yeah. Oh my gosh, guys. Everything's looking good. I think the shoelaces are a little bit like gray. Can you guys see that? Guys, if you want these, run and go get them. They are $100, but you're not gonna regret it, guys. Oh my gosh. I a million times love these more than the whiteys. No doubt. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. And nothing's wrong with it this time. Oh my gosh, Again, this is a 7.5. Like, that's insane. Hold on. Oh, it has a little string there, but I can just cut that off. Oh my gosh, guys, just you see these shoes and you're like, it's Coraline. You know, if you know, you know, right? Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I freaking love them. Run and go get these if you didn't know about them like me. Oh my god, guys, these are the ones I was talking about that I was like, I don't know why they didn't do these in adult size, but they did. But they just hit them over there in the Laika website. So it was like one of those, like, if you know, you know. If you don't, well, then you're gonna miss out, you know. Oh my freaking god. Oh my freaking god, guys, I am obsessed. Oh, you know what, I'm lying. I actually have owned 2 pairs of Converse in my life. I have a Grinch pair that I like rarely use because, you know, it's like, I'm scared to use them actually because they're like so pretty. But yeah, okay, this is my 3rd pair ever if I'm not counting YBs because I had to return them. But yeah, guys, oh my gosh, you know what, I might still get YBs because I saw they were like $60 for Black Friday. I don't know. But yeah, guys, oh my gosh, I just can't get over it. These are freaking gorgeous. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I wish you guys could see how freaking beautiful this is. The little star is shiny and silver. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. I love these. But yeah, guys, oh my god, this is what I wanted to show you. This is my little unboxing for Vlogmas Day 3. I hope you guys enjoyed this, guys. Like I said, if you want these shoes, run and go get them now. Hopefully they do have your size and you can get a pair. If not, stalk the website like I did, guys, and you might get lucky. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you have not seen my Vlogmas Day 1 and 2, go check it out. I'll link it down below as well so you don't miss out, and then continue on this Christmas journey. I don't know. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you have not. If you already did, thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 4. All right, bye. Oh my gosh, finally, and nothing was wrong with them, right?